Hello guys, the enjoyment is becoming more fun. So our MVP couples are currently lodged in an executive suite near Piedmont Atlanta Hospital as shared by Perwat on Snap because I had to make my findings and I saw that it was a medical center and the nearest lodge close by is the Otto M. Blank Family Residence Center. And again guys, Atlanta looking so good on MS. Do you guys really know why this current video is special and intriguing? It is because Queen of Mars affirmed that there is peace where they are in Atlanta. Peace is priceless guys, and when you have it, you would definitely know that it's a big deal. Yes guys, the ambience is peaceful, delicious food served at its best. America is indeed a beautiful place to be and a place to have so much fun and relish the good and best moments of life. And Pearl said guys, it is peaceful here. Wow. MS woke up to this beautiful landscape of the city of Georgia, Atlanta, and shared this awesome view, and we are loving it. The enjoyment has just begun guys, and we are definitely riding with them to the end. Thanks for watching this beautiful video guys. More videos are coming, so stay tuned. Love ya much guys. Take care of yourselves.